Have a DUT file containing Dutch language localization data. This is a translation file for software internationalization to Dutch. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Dutch localization language files. Before we dive into the fix, let me quickly advise, a dedicated universal file reader is your best defense against formats like DUT. I'll discuss this preferred again tool later. DUT files are localization language files containing Dutch translations for software internationalization. They store translated user interface strings, menu labels, error messages, and help text used by applications to display Dutch language content for users in the Netherlands and other Dutch-speaking regions, enabling localized software experiences. DUT localization files typically use plain text key-value pair format with original English strings paired with Dutch translations. Some applications use structured formats like XML JSON or custom delimiters with each entry containing string identifiers and corresponding Dutch text. The format depends on the specific application's localization framework. Essential file access for DUT relies upon the utility Microsoft Notepad from Microsoft Corporation. The specific compression standard used by this file is not recognized by native Windows software. Windows gives a simple file-level view, but understanding the data requires specialized software. To force the file open, right-click your DUT file and select Open With. If Microsoft Notepad is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. When a DUT file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The stubbornness of the file suggests a specific weak spot. Let's test these common failure points immediately to see where the problem is originating. First, opening in text editor. Open the DUT file in a text editor like Notepad++ Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text to view the translation content. Most localization files use UTF-8 encoding to support Dutch special characters. Editors with syntax highlighting for the underlying format improve readability when working with structured translation data. Next, editing translations. Modify DUT files using your text editor to update or correct Dutch translations. Maintain the original key structure and only change the translation values to ensure the application can still locate strings correctly. Save changes with proper UTF-8 encoding to preserve special Dutch characters like accented letters and diacritical marks. Finally, importing into source application. Place the modified DUT file in the appropriate language folder of the target application, typically under a locale or languages directory. Restart the application and select Dutch as the interface language to apply the translations. Verify all UI elements display correctly with the updated translation content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.